This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir at home from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of active kefir grains and 1 liter of whole milk, preferably organic. Also, prepare a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring utensil, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter secured with a rubber band. Cleanliness is key to a successful fermentation, so ensure all your equipment is spotless. Now, let's start the fermentation. Place your kefir grains into the clean glass jar, then pour in the 1 liter of milk, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cover the jar with your breathable lid and let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 18 to 24 hours. You might notice the milk thickening and separating. Give it a gentle stir once or twice during this period to ensure even fermentation. After 18 to 24 hours, your kefir is ready. Gently stir the mixture, then strain it through a non-metal sieve into another clean jar or bottle. The grains will remain in the sieve. These are your precious starters for the next batch. Immediately place the separated grains into fresh milk to continue the cycle. For a second fermentation, you can add flavorings like fruit, vanilla, or a tablespoon of honey to your strained kefir and let it sit for another 6 to 12 hours. Once strained, your finished kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's a fantastic source of beneficial probiotics, which are great for supporting your gut health and digestion. Enjoy it plain, in smoothies, or as a base for dressings. Remember, your kefir grains are living organisms, so keep them fed with fresh milk to maintain their vitality. And speaking of quality, check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.